how to add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio. If you want to add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio, let's first head over and click onto this plus icon. Now, once you have clicked on that, it should be able to help you add some elements. So you can head over here to the text option, and then you should be able to see in here the text mask option. Click onto this right here, and then just choosing here a max that you want. For example, right here, let's choose the Explore one, and then let's just add it right here on this part. And once it's been added, it should be able to reflect it almost immediately. So it will also auto adjust based on this. And if you want, you can also edit it in order to change the text. Click onto this change text option and then add your own text. So for example, let's put in here bonjour. And then you can see that it does now change into that. You can also head over and click onto the three dots in order to detach from stack or add some other options for this one. So that's how you add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.